Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix We Have Stopped the Payment to keep you safe on PayPal. So first of all, what you have to do is get logged into your account via a browser and select Help at the top page. And right here you will see a search box. Type in why is my payment delayed or simply why is my payment something. Now as you do that, you will find various articles. I'm going to select the first one. And if your payment has been declined for some reason, you will also see an article right here. If you select your wallet or simply your activity, if there is certain restriction, you will see a pop-up coming right here and you can also resolve it from there. For some reasons, if you cannot, select the help button on your top page, just like this. Scroll below and select Message Center under More Ways We Can Help by PayPal itself. Now at this page, you can go ahead and talk with customer support on PayPal and get help resolving your issue.